Assalamu alaikum. Hope that you all are doing well. Today we're going to learn another new thing in MS Excel. So let's open MS Excel, and here you can see that I have written something in one column. So I want to separate the data into two or three columns as per requirement. So it's depend on the how many space in my writing. So let's start. First split the data, Control A, then Alter DE, then check mark on delimited, then next, then check mark on space, then next, then next. Name department district. First, these are in one column. Now it in three columns. So depending on the space, how many space there are, the space is important here. So it's very easy to separate the data into the number of columns depending on the space inside there.